pose. So take your chair, blanket or bolster on top, something to weight down your shins. Make sure you're warm, socks, jumper, blanket over your whole body. And then you can place your eye pillow on. Just make sure you've also got this support blanket or bolster underneath your buttocks. That creates a nice flowing inversion from the knees down to the belly, and then from the belly that gentle inversion back to the heart. So it's a deep resting restorative pose for the heart and for your whole body. You might like to also spread out a blanket underneath you so it's nice and comfortable. You may also like to have a blanket underneath your head if it's starting to feel hard on the floor. So now as you're ready, cover your eyes. Just placing that on to relax your eye muscles, to close out the light. And position your arms either with the elbows bent out to the side, palms turned up, or just down by your side, wherever they're comfortable for you. So just now beginning to feel and be aware of the shape that you're in this chair rest position. Feeling the weight of your legs on the seat of the chair. And that inversion effect of the thighs, the thigh bones. The support of the blanket or bolster underneath your buttocks, your lower back. And your shoulders, arms and back of your head resting comfortably onto the floor. Now consciously relax your whole body. Feeling yourself moving into this deep resting place. And become aware of the breathing, just noticing initially how the belly moves here as you rest, the breathing in, the breathing out. Watching the movement in the belly as the air flows in and out. And just observe that movement with the airflow in the belly. As you inhale, as the air flows in, the belly gently expands. As the air flows out, the belly gently descends. Just watching, being aware of that movement in your body. And keep your mind's eye in the belly, in your body, just observing that quiet inner space, that soft airflow, the gentle movement in the belly as the air flows in and out. getting that sense of letting go into this space, into this feeling of deep rest. It starts washing over you as you stay longer in this deeply restorative pose. And keeping that soft breath awareness as your focus. This really helps to let the mind also rest when we just watching our breath, following the soft sound of the breath as you rest. The breathing in, the breathing out. Just observe that soft airflow in and out through the nostrils, the gentle rise and fall of the belly, and gentle movements in the chest as you breathe. The soft sound of your breath. The breathing in, the breathing out. Just observe the soft airflow in and out. The whole body completely relaxed. Feel yourself resting, quiet, deeply relaxing. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, no one to be. Just observe the soft airflow as you rest. A quiet inner space. The breathing in, the breathing out. Just being with the breath that's always there. The breathing in, the breathing out. The feeling of the breath in your body. the breathing in, the breathing out. Just observe that soft airflow as you rest, keeping your mind's eye inward, that quiet inner space. The whole body completely relaxed. Feel the skin on your face soft, completely relaxed. The skin on your whole body completely relaxed. Feel the weight of your body become heavier on the chair, on the floor, as you relax, as you drop deeper and deeper into rest. Feeling yourself yielding to the weight of gravity. The breathing in, the breathing out, the soft airflow, the gentle rise and fall of the belly, of the chest, as the air flows in and out. Just observe that soft airflow as you rest. Then from here, you need to gently place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart space. And just feeling your body, feeling the breath in your body. Feeling yourself in this quiet, connected space. Feeling the connection with your inner self. And with a soft inward smile to your heart center, just breathing in a quality of being you wish to be with in yourself, in this space, in this day. Breathing that quality of being into your heart space, into your whole being. And then resting your arms back down onto the floor. Completely relaxed. I'm going to leave you now to stay resting for longer in this deeply restorative practice, chair rest, for as long as you feel to. Another 5 or 10 minutes is good. Just to be here in your own space, quiet and connected. Just allowing that deep rest to wash over you. Namaste.